High electricity bills and blackout brings insecurities and anxieties in our lives. Is there any solution? Your best choice to cut your bills off: Anfuote Balcony Solar System. Easy to install in just 15 minutes. If you already have a home PV system, you can upgrade your existing system by simply adding an EMS power controller and battery pack. Enjoy self-sufficiency for all your needs. Significantly reduces utility loads. Assuming that a family uses 3,500 kilowatt hours of electricity per year, a yearly savings of 1,250 kilowatt hours can be achieved by using Anfuote Home Energy Storage System. Everything is under control. Expand capacity up to 10 kilowatt hours. Easy EV power. Massive wattage up to 2,400 watts. Anfuote can meet all your needs. Ensure power continuity. UPS protects against blackouts. IP67 waterproof and dustproof. Enjoy a stable, economical, and safe power supply from Anfuote. More convenient and cost-effective. Powering your home, empowering your life. Anfuote.